Hello guys, Little Blue Wolf is here, and today I'm at Panama City Beach. Cause look at this. You got anything coming out with y'all. But anyway, I'm going to let you guys know anything about them. But today I go feed the seagulls. Just yeah. So I'll be right back. So today's the day. It's time to open this big bad blue up. See what we got. And not for some big ones. And boy, the big ones, you throw this whole thing, it will see it. They know the bigger is their food. So we'll put right there, and so you guys can see, okay? Because I might. So here they come. Oh. Take out. Yeah. Slowly breathe. There you go. Come on. Put things. Take. So. Come on. Come on. Give me some. Ding. Oh, yeah. Come on. See? They know what they're coming. Come on. Up high. Up high. There we go. Hey, get it. Get it. Ugh. Oh man, I know. So we go to feed some seagulls on camera. Let me take this grass off, and we can do this. So here they come. It's gonna be the giddy. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Look how many I got. Woo! There. That's how you get seagulls. Hey, woo. I used to, I feed them hand by hand by one of them. Can you take it? There we go. He got in hand by this while you're holding up. So take a look. Come on. Over here. Over here. Okay. There we go. See. Oh, they're trying. I can feel it. Now that's how you feed seagulls, blue gulls, because oh, that's dumb. So that's how you feed seagulls, and you boys are tornadoes. So that's why I made Panama City Beach. Stay away from what you did now. Demon blood. Hey, over here. See? Woo! Look how many seagulls. So I'll go give them. Yeah. There you go. You okay? See, he's trying to get it. He's trying to get it. It's gonna take it. It's gonna take it. It's trying. Come on. Over here. Wow. Yeah. Oh, they're trying. Kind of scared. I ain't looking. I'm looking myself. There we go.
Take it right out of there, Vic.
Yeah.
Take it right out. Pick it up. Push it up.
Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Again, I'll link on. League of Blue Wolf is out. How? God bless you.